Hello, this is Mike with Cornerbowl Software, and today I'm going to show you part 1 of how to monitor S3 buckets with Cornerbowl Server Manager. In part 2, I'll show you how to archive Windows event logs, as well as Linux audit logs to an S3 bucket. If you're not familiar with Amazon S3 buckets are a cloud-based file storage solution provided by Amazon. To utilize S3 buckets in Cornerbowl Server Manager, we need to collect a few pieces of information from our Amazon Management Console. First, we need to copy the bucket name. To do that, log into your Amazon Management Console, navigate to S3, then copy the target bucket name, also, while we're here, take note of the AWS region. We will need that information later. In my case, it's US East 2. Next, we need to add a host to access each S3 bucket. From the Cornerbowl Management Console menu bar, select File, New. From the Create New Object view, select Computers, Devices, and Endpoints. From the Add Computer, Device, or Endpoint dialog, type S3://, then press Ctrl-V to paste the bucket name from the clipboard. Click OK. From the Host Properties view, set the alias to a meaningful name, for example, my S3 bucket. Next, select the Amazon S3 tab, then click the Enabled checkbox. Please note, by default, when you add an endpoint that starts with S3://, the Amazon S3 service is automatically checked. Next, we need to enter the access key. Back in the Amazon Management Console, navigate to the IAM dashboard. Click Users in the left-hand menu. Click the Create User button. Enter a username. Click Next. Then click Attach Policies directly. In the search bar, type Amazon S3 Full Access. Click Next. Then click Create User. After the user is created, you'll see a success message. Click on the new user. Then click Create Access Key. Select Third-Party Service. Then click Next. Click Create Access Key. Next, click the Download CSV file. Open the CSV file you just downloaded. Find the access key ID, then copy the value. Paste the value to the access key text box. Back in the CSV, find the secret access key, then copy the value. Paste the value to the client secret text box. Use the region dropdown to select the target bucket's hosting region found in the AWS Management Console, which in my case is US East 2. Click Test, then verify you are able to retrieve the list of subdirectories in your bucket. Lastly, click Save. Once added, you can use the Management Console to analyze bucket sizes. To do that, from the Host Properties view, select the Files tab. From the File Explorer view, right-click on the dot tree node, then select Calculate Size. The view recursively scans the entire directory structure, then calculates and graphically displays the percentage each subdirectory is consuming relative to its parent. You can drill into any subdirectory and manually delete files, as well as recursively delete entire subdirectories. To utilize S3 buckets in any of the supported templates, first create the target template, for example, a directory size monitor template. From the Directories tab, use the Host dropdown to select the S3 bucket. Then, from the Search Criteria control group, click the Browse button. From the Select Folder or File dialog, select the target directory to monitor. Once selected, configure the rest of the template as you would either the Windows or Linux file system. That's part 1 of Amazon S3 support with Cornerbowl Server Manager.